I was thinking you again and we were set.
Push the sound right. Huh? The sun's still sound right.
I thought you guys already did something like that.
No, we didn't.
It didn't work because you're a fucking hoe.
Why? Because I'm riding the bike?
I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Joking. Fucking massive. But that's, of course. I gotta go around. Because I don't want to eat shit again.
That's the manager. What are you recording for? Is that Darwin Marlin?
Darwin Marlin.
Ah, my teeth hurt. Holy shit.
Get out of here.
Fuck, it hurts. God damn.
You're gonna have to send me this, you know.
Ah.
This is gonna be the most epic. Darwin Marlin.
Ah, fuck. I hurt my teeth.
So you eat another one.
Ah! Hello! So she did it and I'm not. That's not fair.
I'm zooming in on their face. Brian's back.
Hello. How are you? He did it! Jasmine, he finally did it.
Hello.
That's the thing I wanted to do.
How are you?
He goes, hello.
Ching chong.
Do it again. Hello. How are you?
Ching chong.
Get out of here.
Darwin Marlin.
Right there.
So nobody should ever eat these.
I fucking hurt my teeth.
Would you give a movie review for these? These Darwin Marlin.
No, I think you.
What's it, Darwin Marlin?
I can't go a day without eating my Darwin Marlins.
Darwin Marlin.
Brought to you by Cinco.
Brought to you by Press Relationships.
You just spit them all out. They're wicked gross.
These are awful.
They are.
They hurt my teeth. I don't know what it is.
Oh, it stinks.
Does it hurt your teeth?
That was just like fucking... This is awful. This is real fish. Why is this fucking real fish covered in blood?
From a pure pussy. Guess what kind of...
Cuban rock. Brian's face. Even she's dancing.